Yo guys, so I haven't been making any videos lately, but today I'm gonna make up for it because I'm gonna show you guys something really cool, especially to you, Night Sky. I know you play this game a lot, and this is the reason why I even got into playing the game again, because of him. And so I'm gonna show you something really cool. Previously I did make a video on this, you know, how to get puppy treats and stuff like that, but it's not effective, and it was not like, when I was doing it, it was really bad. So I'm gonna make a new video, and I'm gonna show you guys what to do, how to do it, and how to be a boss at it. All right, so the first thing you need to know, all right, is that you need a puppy bee. So if you don't have one, go get one. It's not that hard. Just get a bunch of tickets, you'll be fine. And I don't know why this girl's standing next to me. Anyways, that's what you need to do. Okay, so get a puppy bee. All right, okay, next thing, rejoin a game. I don't care what you're doing, rejoin a game. Make sure you have that red arrow in front of you, because that red arrow is beautiful and you're gonna need it. All right, so let's go ahead and get that red arrow, and we're gonna press E and claim the hive. All right, next thing you need to do, let's go down this trail, and we're gonna just follow it and follow it into the blue flower field. Okay, now I love this flower field because, you know, I get a lot of blue pollen, I guess. So okay, so here's what we do next. We're just gonna wait it. We're gonna wait it out. Right, ignore that rhino bee, you'll kill it. And then the basic thing you're gonna do is just watch for that puppy token. All right, there's gonna be a puppy ball token that's gonna pop up, and then you're gonna touch that puppy ball token. Did it pop up? I think it popped up, but I didn't click on that. All right, there it is. All right, so right here. So it takes about like 30 seconds, sometimes quicker. All right, so once you see it, hit it into this house. All right, now the bee is always going to try to kick it towards you, so just go ahead and let it follow you, then bring it into any corner as long as it's in this house. And then once you get it in this corner, you're going to let it do its job and give you as many treats as you want. And then as long as you stay in the area where, like, you know, it's not towards the doorway, the ball is never gonna leave. So this is like the perfect spot. I don't know why I didn't show you guys this to begin with, but you know, you guys see me, I'm getting a bunch of treats and stuff like that. And the maximum you're gonna get is about 256. So kick it. Ooh, all right, kick it, and then there you go, 256. So that was 256, 164. That's already 500 right there. So 500 treats. Then you have to, what you have to do next? Just leave the game and rejoin, and we're gonna do it one more time. So that is about like 1,000 under a minute, which is really good in my opinion. So let's go ahead and do this again. Let's go this way, and then down the road, down the road, down to the blue flower field, and then we're gonna wait it out some more. I don't even think that was like a minute, maybe it was, but basically you get about 500 per time you do this, as long as you leave it inside this house. All right, remember, the puppy bee always follows you, always kicks for you. There it is. And then we're gonna go ahead and kick it. Oh shoot, hang on, I'm gonna make him kick it my way. I need you to kick it my way, bro. All right, come on. Oh shoot, he got it stuck in the corner. Well, I guess you can kick it. Oh, there it is. All right, so it got into the building. All right, and then just make sure he's not kicking it out. All right, you want to make sure he kicks it in front of you. Okay, kick it over here, homeboy. Okay, well, I'll just go back to this corner because, you know, I like the corner. Just kidding. All right, so 16 treats so far. That's pretty good. Come on, puppy, do it faster. All right, it's 32. All right. How many treats is that? 64? No! Why are you kicking so far? All right, well, see, you know, you have to watch out for that, okay? But basically, I got 128 and 64. It's still not bad, 200, okay? So that's really good way to get treats, guys. And that is it for the video. If you want me to make more of these videos, or you want me to make another video on another game, just let me know. But I'm glad I got to make this video for you guys. So I hope that you enjoy, and hope this helped you guys out. All right, see you. Bye.